Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this is the design that I created on my nails this week. I used Flexi press tips, so I'm just going through the process here. I've buffed my nail and I've pushed back my cuticles. I'm just applying a layer of base coat which I cure for 30 seconds. Then I'm laying down a coat of gel strengthener, which I don't cure yet, and then I apply some of the gel strengthener to the underside of the Flexi press tip. So the tips that I'm using, they're like coffin / square Flexi press tips. They are pre-buffed already, so they're buffed on the underside and the top. So I love the fact that I don't have to buff the underside. I think I found my favourite Flexi press tip here. So I do have a little air bubble at the very top right hand side of my nail. Can you see that there? So before I cure it, I just give it a little push and it gets rid of it. So yeah, just hold it in place here, and I have my little flash lamp, my LED lamp that I just give it a flash cure with. As you can see, just quickly flash curing that, and then I pop it in my LED lamp to cure all of it properly for 60 seconds. So this is my new favourite shape Flexi press tip. Absolutely love it to bits. So I go in with my first coat of gel polish, and the gel polish that I'm using today is Clover 05. This gel polish collection will be released this month. So, you know, get yourselves on the website and check it out. Also, don't forget, guys, I do have a discount code, Beautified 10. Please excuse my dog in the background barking. She's very annoying at the moment. So I'm just popping down a layer of this colour here, and I cure each coat of this in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I go in with another coat of Clover 05. Absolutely love this colour. Really cute. Obviously there's 5 gel polishes in the collection, and they are really beautiful colours. $13.99 per gel polish plus VAT, and then or you can get the full collection for £65 plus VAT. So check them out, guys, because this is a gorgeous collection and I really love it. So I'm just going in with a second coat now. So yeah, this shape nail, I've not cut it down or anything like that, or not filed it down, sorry. I've just sort of left it like that. It's like a long coffin shape. I'm not exactly sure really, guys. It looks coffin shaped, but then on my nails right now it kind of looks square, so I don't know. I really like it anyway, but I do like the fact that they're pre-buffed. I love the fact that I don't have to faff around with filing underneath the Flexi press tip. I think that is pretty awesome. Saves me a heck of a lot of time, and yeah, I love it. So yeah, you can get those on the website, guys, so don't forget to check them out. So with my Nail Vision palette, I have Sweet Rocket 3, 2 and Clover 2. I just pop them down on my palette there, just place them in a little space. Then with my gel strengthener, I just pop a layer of this on my nail that I'm working on, and I don't cure it. And then with my brush, I just pick up some of the colours. So because I've popped down a layer of the strengthener and it's uncured, it sort of makes the, it helps with that marbling effect that I'm trying to achieve. I didn't do a fabulous job on this nail, I have to admit. I was a bit heavy-handed, I don't know if you can tell here. So it went okay, but it wasn't amazing. My right hand went better, to be fair. But I gave it a go, and I just love these colours together. Purples and greens, I just think go together amazingly. I love them to bits. So I did have to pick up another little bit of the Clover 02 just to add in there, because there's more purple than there is green, as you can see. So just sort of give it a little bit of a swirl around just to create that marble effect, and I was really quite impressed with it. Like I said, my right hand was better. I don't know why. Maybe I was having an off day or an off moment. But anyway, I cured that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I did a similar thing on my thumbnail. So I'm just popping down some strengthener, not curing it, and then I'm just going in with these 3 colours again. Just sort of doing it in this bottom left hand corner of my nail near the cuticle area, just sort of swirling it around. And I don't really know what design I was going for with this one, but I thought it's a thumb, so it doesn't get seen as much in the video, or in the pictures rather. So I kind of thought I could go with whatever way I wanted to with this. I quite like the outcome anyway, to be honest. So yeah, so I cure that in my LED lamp. Then with my foil transfer gel, I just put it down a little bit randomly on my forefinger, cured that for 60 seconds, and then applied my foil to the nail. And it's like a petrol foil from Miss You Beauty. Oh my word, is that not amazing? How gorgeous is that nail? I just love that. I think that's my favourite one. So, matte top coat going down on the middle finger and on the ring finger as well. And that is because I am putting a little bit of foil transfer gel on my ring finger just to top off this design here. Cure that for 60 seconds and then place down the foil on that nail. And it was just a bit random, just to finish off that design. So Marble Ink 2 and 13 and 08 are going on my middle finger. So I went with a flower design here. My nails, I have to admit, the designs are a little bit random. So yeah, I went a bit wild with nail art on this set. I was okay with that though, I quite like it. So using Marble Ink 08, which is the clear, you just use that to blend those colours together, guys, just to let you know if you're wondering. But before you put that brush back in the bottle, don't forget to wipe it, okay? So the marble inks have dried completely, and I've got the Nail Vision, this is like a gel, a nail art gel in the shade black, obviously, and my extra fine detail brush that I have from Miss You Beauty. I'm just drawing some flowers, well, a flower, just going from the side of my nail. So whatever items I use in this video that are from the Nail Vision app, guys, if you do want to purchase any of those items, you can go on and download the app, and then in any of my videos or anybody else's videos, then you can see that we all use the palette. So go on my video and you can click on it and purchase the palette or any of the gels that we use in those videos. So I've got Blueberry Muffin and Parma Violet in the Pro Gel range here. So I'm just drawing a little bit of detail on my little finger. Cure those in the LED lamp for 45 seconds. Then with a matte top coat, I go over that and cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds in preparation for some foil gel to go on that. So I pop down with my detail brush a little line of foil gel, cure that for 60 seconds, and then I apply my nail foil to that line there that I created, and then I go in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat all over my nails, on each and every nail, and cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I apply some cuticle oil to my nails, and that is the design finished. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave a comment below. If you would like to purchase any of the items that I used in this video, then those items will be in the description box below. And yeah, don't forget about my discount code, guys, as well, of course, Beautified10. And thank you so much for watching. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and also the Nail Vision app, which you can download from the App Store, and follow me on there, where I do other videos that I don't do on YouTube or Instagram. So thank you again so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.